Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we haven't really focused much on Matchbox moving parts in so long. So today we're gonna bring it back by, of course, reviewing this, which is the Matchbox moving parts, the 2024 Maserati Granturismo Folgore, if I'm saying that correctly. Alright, so Maserati, of course, with Matchbox, sometimes they're really nice, sometimes you don't even see them. Now, we got it back, but it is the more modern Maserati, which is this Granturismo Folgore. What this is basically a super sports sort of car, I would say, a highly luxury sports car. Below the MC20 line, and well, it is the successor of the previous Maserati Granturismo that we had a long time ago, and basically now we have the 2024 version, which looks good. They called it the Folgore version, which is nice. So this is new for 2025. Maserati logo right there. There's the moving parts, and there is the car, which is cool. So the box is made of recycled, I think paper, sort of, and yeah, recycled metal, as they say on the box. That's cool. Here's the back. Overall, pretty nice. So they have this opening which lets you to feel sort of the car, I guess. I don't know what's the point, but yeah, they did not close it fully, but still you are able to actually, touch the car and whatnot. But still very cool. Without further ado, of course, let's go ahead and open this up. So there's only a way to open it is by the side, which apparently you need to tear the box. Yeah, like that. And the car would simply come out. Over there is the car. Let's take it out from its foam packaging right here. There we go. Put the box away. So this is the car. It is kind of heavy, which I'm quite impressed. It is quite heavy in terms of weight. So the base, the body is fully metal. The base is plastic. So yeah, this is not any car culture sort of car. This is Matchbox moving parts, so it's more to like a cheap sort of above Hot Wheels type of line, of course. No rubber tires as well, just if you're wondering. But yeah, you do have the opening parts, which I'm gonna show you in a bit. So yeah, I would like to talk about the paint. This is interesting. Like, it's a matte sort of, what do I even call this? Brown? Grayish brown, I think. Which is interesting. Grayish brown. So yeah, never ever seen this color on a car before, I think. It's quite interesting, especially in this matte sort of like flaky, feels rough on the texture of the car. So let's put on the turntable and let's see our Folgore, a Granturismo Folgore, they call it. Maserati Granturismo Folgore. So this is a 2024 car. If you look at it from the front, it kind of reminds you of the Maserati MC20 or the MC20 Cielo or Cielo. It is quite unique, if you ask me. Looking by the front of the car, it's really interesting and something that I've never expected on a Granturismo Maserati car. As the older model, I forgot which year was it. Yeah, it had a different style of headlights, as during that time there was no Maserati MC20, but there was the MC12. So it didn't really follow the MC12 that much either, but at the same time it didn't really follow any other sort of car, so it's basically a unique design of itself. But this one, however, it follows the headlights of the MC20, but borrows the body from the older generation of Maserati Granturismo. And good thing about this is I think it's more of a I would say a more luxury, sporty sort of vehicle compared to the Maserati MC20, where it's more to like pure sports car, if you ask me. Yeah. So yeah, let's take a close look at our Granturismo Maserati Granturismo. So I don't know how this is gonna be appearing at YouTube, but basically with the lighting and all, I kind of like the paint. It's really cool. We'll start off with the side of the car here. So we have 5-spoke sort of matte silver rims, which are plastic, and yeah, they do roll. Of course, this is a Matchbox car, so it does roll. The side is overall really clean, and you can see, of course, the paint, the flaky sort of rough texture of the car's paint, which is cool and very nice. The side mirrors are there as well. We'll talk about the door in a second, of course. We'll move on to the front, and then yeah, like I said, the front headlights remind you of the MC20. The front grille reminds you of the old Maserati Granturismo, with the Maserati badge right there, and you have some vents on the side which are cool. There's the front hood, which is really nice. The texture is pretty rough, like I said. Regular windshield tint, red colored interior, and it is technically left-hand drive, which is really nice. No sunroof or anything, but still really looks cool. There is the side, just if you're wondering. And here is the back. There's the back, there are the rear lights. It does say Maserati right there. License plate, I think it says Folgore, if I'm seeing correctly. And then yeah, that's the rear bumper. I don't see the rear exhaust. Is this a hybrid? I'm not entirely sure about the new generation Granturismo. Is it a hybrid or is it still running on petrol? I'm not entirely sure about that. I think I know more of the Granturismo, the older Maserati Granturismo, than this one, because this is much more of the newer modern generation Maseratis. Don't really know that much, but yeah. What you can do for the opening parts feature, you can open up the doors, which yeah, they open up pretty good, I would say. So they open up to the side, and then you can see a better look at the interior, which is having red colored seats as well as red colored infotainment system, with the steering wheel being on the left side, since it's a left-hand drive car, which is overall really nice. I quite like that. That is that, and there's the other side. Overall, they nailed the details really well. Very nice. And then over on the base, we have a gray plastic base. 2024 Maserati Granturismo Folgore, Matchbox 2025, metal made in Thailand. Gonna put on the turntable with the doors open first. I love how every time Matchbox just loves to improve their moving parts line. Something like this, we've never actually gotten this Maserati Granturismo Folgore before, but this might be our first time. Yeah. Really do hope to see it return in at least like a red. That would be nice. Or maybe like a blue would be a nice one, a subtle looking blue. That would be really great. Other than that, no complaints from me for this car. Of course, Matchbox does more of the details really well compared to Hot Wheels, if you ask me, except for the Hot Wheels Car Culture Premium line. Other than that, I love the car. It's very, very nice. Paint wise, I've never seen this type of paint being used, so I'm not entirely sure. But overall, the details are all there. Very, very nice. I do quite like it. But yeah, of course, once again, let me know what you think down in the comments about this Maserati Folgore Granturismo. And yeah, that's all. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.